Find or read reviews that people are talking about Senville SENA-36HF/T, Tri-Zone, Mini Split Air Conditioner, Heat Pump, 36,000 BTU. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. 3-zone mini split AC/heating system. Tailored for multiple rooms, our 36,000 BTU mini split AC/heating system boasts individual air handlers for each room and a singular outdoor unit. Experience unparalleled individual temperature regulation for supreme comfort in every space. Works with Alexa. Elevate your 36,000 BTU mini split experience with voice control via Alexa. Adjust temperatures from anywhere using the app, and implement energy-saving routines that cut costs by up to 40% during your absence. Peak efficiency and performance. Boasting AHRI certification, our 3-ton mini-split system comes with an Arctic heat pump that functions efficiently even at -22 degrees Fahrenheit/30 degrees Celsius. Running on 208 to 230 volt and UL listed. It seamlessly integrates with Alexa for a smart user experience. Versatile applications. Tailored for both homes and businesses, this 36,000 BTU mini split showcases powerful performance paired with dependable durability. Its sleek design complements bedrooms, living areas, and commercial spaces like restaurants or warehouses. Comprehensive package. The 36,000 BTU mini split system package encompasses indoor air handlers, an outdoor condenser, and a 16 feet installation kit with line set and communication wire. Note: professional installation is required. This is not a DIY mini split AC. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important: don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.